Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Virgo at sign. This is weekly reading and this reading is from July 18th to July 24th. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past. Okay, your recent past, lot of energy. So let's see your recent past. 7 of Cups, 10 of Cups, 6 of Wands, lot of water energy. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. I think definitely your person, there is success in past. You both happy with each other. I think one person in this connection have options, or one person is fantasizing about the other person a lot. In past, everything is okay looking. So let's see what is going on in your connection right now, Virgo. Ace of Swords, 6 of Cups, 4 of Pentacles. Yeah, there is some communication is going between both of you. You both have strong soulmate or past life connections with each other. I think one person is hiding their emotions or feelings in this connection. They love you but they are hiding their feelings, but they are feeling this connection with you, strong soulmate connection. That's and there is a brand new beginning for some those who are in separation. Ace of Swords means truth coming out and new beginnings also. Communication, you both will already communicating with each other. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Virgo. Okay, stress, 7 of Wands, politics, 7 of Swords. Oh, what is going? Exhaustion, 9 of Wands. I think one person in this connection is very honest, but the other one is not as much as the other you, because there are some obstacles in this connection and politics, manipulation, some sneaky energy and exhaustion, 9 of Wands. I think your person may be guarded up. They are not available when you need. When you want them, they are not available to you emotionally. I am getting there is some politics, there is some sneaky energy, but they want to work on this relationship. They don't want to give up on this relationship. I think you have to think about this politics and whatever is going between both of you. They are not expressing their feelings too, so it's up to you, but they want to try again and again when you reject, because 7 of Wands is not give up on this connection, but there are some politics also. Exhaustion, 9 of Wands. I think one person is guarded up in this connection. So let's see, let's pull some cards from universe for final message. Projections, 7 of Cups 2 times. I think your person could have option also, that's why these politics and manipulations. Experiencing 3 of Wands. This could be long distance relationship also. Waiting. Possibilities, 2 of Wands. Thinking, maturity, Ace of Pentacles. Yes, definitely they want to offer this Ace of Pentacles long-term commitment to you, but it will take time, because in near future there will be some exhaustion, some energy like stress, but after that they realize you both and they will offer this long-term commitment to you, but you have to wait patiently because there are a lot of issues going between both of you. So this is the reading for you, Virgo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.